Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my individual lashes. Alright, okay. So I use the Kiss lashes. These are Kiss premium lashes. They are double volume and ultra black. And I got the sizes large and then a medium size. So I got two different sizes. And I did that because I'm going to put the mediums ones toward the inside of my eye and then the longer ones toward the outside of my eye. So what I do is I apply mine with hair glue, which is like the same glue that I apply my strip lashes with. So it's super easy and super simple. You want to start off with your face being washed, with your lashes being clean, and then you want to comb out your lashes with like a little spoolie like I'm doing. And then what I like to do is like get an old carton or an old box. It's up to you, but what I like to do is put some glue on that, and then I'm gonna dip my lashes in the glue, which is what I'm about to show you now. So when I remove them, I use my tweezers like this, just like that. And then this is the box that I'm using. It's an old baby food box. I just put a little glue on it, and then I set it to the side just to let it dry a little bit, but you don't want to let it get too dry, okay? So you just want it to get a little tacky. So I go ahead and prep about 4 or 5 lashes, and here I'm just showing you where I put the lashes. You're not putting it in your eye, okay? You're not putting it like on your eyeball, but y'all see how I do it. So one second, let me get ready. Give me a second. All right. So, as you can see, I'm going to hold my eye up like this, and then I'm just going to place it on the underneath of my lid like this, and then you want to press it in. So, like I said, what I like to do is add 4 to 5 lashes at a time, just so that the first ones that I put on can get tacky. And you want to kind of use the tip of your tweezers to go ahead and push the lashes where you want them to be. Like if you feel them poking your eye, you can push them up a little bit, and so on and so forth, like that. But after I do like 4 or 5, like I said, I'll go ahead and prep some more lashes, and then that gives me a chance to see how the lashes are feeling on my eyes. So like make sure like it's not irritating my eye, or it's not poking me in the eyeball or anything like that. So yeah, y'all, that's basically it. So I'm just going to let y'all enjoy this video. I'm gonna put y'all some nice music over it and just let y'all watch the video, and then I'll be back later. this is how they turned out. Very nice and natural. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram at Slave by Tamia because I'm trying to grow my channel and my Instagram. So I will greatly appreciate it if you guys help me out. But yeah, so these lashes will last me 2 weeks. I haven't done them in a long time, but I used to do my lashes like this a lot. So they're going to last up to 2 weeks if you do it this way. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.